National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Wise County in north-central Texas, northwestern Denton County in north-central Texas, southeastern Cooke County in north-central Texas, until 11:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Decatur, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and $half size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near, from around 10:40 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Sanger around 10:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Ray Roberts Park Isle Dubois and Ray Roberts Park Johnson Branch around 10:55 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Stony, Lake Ray Roberts, Greenwood, Bolivar, Ura, Slidell, Roadrunner, Valley View, Woodbine, and Lois. This includes Interstate 35 between mile markers 473 and 495. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.